to resolve the MIDJOURNEY subscription issue, which occurs when a prompt to generate images prompts you to take a subscription. A solution is available. This solution is specifically for PC or computer users. Begin by opening Discord in your browser. Then log into your account. On the left side, click Add Server, and then Join Server. Since you don't have an invite, search for Blue Willow and select the first option to join the server. Upon joining, you'll see multiple options, including Rookie on the left side. Click on Rookie and enter your image prompt, for example, an astronaut in terrestrial view realistic. Wait for the image to generate, and once it has, you can view the images generated by Blue Willow. Choose the one you'd like to download, and the process is complete.